Running a logistics and distribution company is a complex and operations-intensive business with several moving parts. It also deals with constantly changing dynamic variables like fluctuating weather and traffic, consumer demands, and teams that are forever under pressure to complete their daily deliveries on time. Under such a scenario, fleet downtime is a bane that fleet managers have to constantly deal with. While vehicle downtime is unavoidable on certain fronts, for example when vehicles go for service, it is certainly possible to minimize the time spent by vehicles in downtime by running an effective service management program with the help of an automated, cloud-based fleet management software. For a logistics and distribution company, fleet downtime is among the most cumbersome areas of the business. Whether for a small transport company or a large fleet company, the number of hours, often days, of fleet downtime always causes a dip in its efficiency, profitability, and productivity. However, fleet managers today use modern, automated, GPS-enabled fleet management software to track vehicle performance, monitor vehicle health, schedule vehicle inspections, and run an effective preventive maintenance program. Such fleet management solutions uses data analytics to generate insight, tracks vehicles and drivers in real time, prepares extensive live reports, maintains historical records of vehicle service and breakdowns, so as to track recurring issues, predict future problems, and help fleet managers take informed and timely decisions. More than the actual hours spent on servicing or repairing a vehicle, it is an inefficient service management process that is often the reason for prolonged downtime hours. Therefore, regular vehicle inspections, periodic maintenance, and managing the service management process efficiently are the most important factors in reducing downtime and increasing the lifespan of your fleet vehicles. Using Best Fleet Management System, fleet managers can coordinate all aspects of vehicle servicing, daily operation requirements, customer deliveries, and collaborate with their teams to optimize schedules. An effective preventive maintenance program identifies possible vehicle issues in advance and helps fleet managers take prompt decisions to reduce downtime before severe problems actually occur. As is normal, the number of breakdowns your vehicles have or the amount of time they spend in downtime is directly proportional to the age of the fleet vehicles. Based on your finances, you must develop the efficient practice of regularly upgrading and buying new vehicles to replace old ones. Choosing your vehicles smartly is another way of reducing downtime. Be sure to research your requirements based on the type of cargo transport services that you provide and the routes that you ply on. Specialized vehicles for special operations that use complicated machinery and parts will more likely spend more time in downtime, whether for service, part replacements, or due to breakdowns. Speeding is a major cause of concern for fleet managers since it causes accidents, results in excessive fuel consumption, and shortens the lifespan of vehicles. Installing each vehicle with devices that record speeds, and uploading the data via cloud-based fleet management software enables fleet managers to monitor the speeds of their drivers. Based on this information, the errant drivers can be cautioned, training conducted, and even let go if required. Very often, maintaining the entire strength of your fleet throughout the year doesn't make financial sense. For example, if most of your business came in the summer and winter vacation months, why would you maintain a large, and unused, fleet during the other months? Therefore, using contract vehicles to meet additional requirements during the busy months is a good idea. While running day, as well as night shifts, will not, by itself, prevent vehicle downtime, you could use some night shift hours to offset some of the downtimes that you incur during the day. This also helps in monetizing your vehicles more, but be sure to service the vehicles on time, too. For example, some routes that are forever crowded during the daytime hours could be covered at night. Use your fleet management software to rotate your vehicles across the day and night shifts and to schedule periodic servicing. Regular training keeps drivers updated about new technology, insurance policy details, and curbing bad habits that could develop, for example aggressive lane changing, hard cornering. Refresher training also helps drivers maintain their vehicle inspection skills, for example spotting frayed engine parts, thus helping in better maintenance of vehicles. Planning your fleet downtime in advance is a great way to make constructive use of vehicle downtime. For example, if a set of large trucks is not scheduled for client duty, the time could be used for vehicle maintenance. Fleet management software can be used to schedule the maintenance of each vehicle while making sure that enough vehicles are available for daily deliveries. Top fleet management software can analyze vast amounts of data. Use this tool to analyze your downtime details, for example irregular maintenance, human errors, bad driving habits, planned downtime, recurring problems, disproportionate fuel consumption, or unplanned parts replacement. This insight helps you in making timely decisions to reduce fleet downtime and improve overall efficiency.